Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me. This is the Smash Our Stash collaboration. This collaboration is run by Bourbon Creek Crafts, who is Beth. There's a category each month that we choose out of our stash and smash it. Dent it, right, is the word. This month is free choice. Sometimes free choice is super easy for me. This month I was distracted by my new dog. Then I realized I just need to work on the counter. So what I did was, these were all items that were either sitting on the counter as a UFO or inspiration. There's a bit of video, so I'm not going to go into that, but I'll show you what I have here. I do have some UFOs, unfinished objects, Kleenex box parts that are ready to use. Some of these were existing, but then I made a bunch of these cute little ones. Happy birthday. I assembled it all so I didn't lose a letter. Thank you, Tony. Super cute. And then I have card bases. I'm going to put these in my pet bin because at some point I will go to make something and be excited that these are ready to go. And then I have all these cards. I made 6 cards, and I'm going to give these to the rescue group when I go sign Zeus's paper. So I have rescued as my favorite breed, and then these were the extras from making journals. So I just went back and trimmed them. And again, you'll see more of that information, so I'm not going to go through it because there is a process video where I show almost every one of these. And look at that. That cute little die cut was sitting around. And for the most part, those back pieces are Kleenex boxes. Okay, these came from my friend Tony. She sent me the parts and I assembled these based on an Elizabeth Craft birthday flip die. So if you're interested in this concept, that's how you get it. And then I did one vertical. So gift card goes right there. Wishing you a happy birthday. Love this paper, Tony. And then I had these sitting on the counter partially. Well, they were only folded. They weren't trimmed. They weren't glued. So now they are envelopes. Not the most attractive paper ever, but that is the case. So I'm going to put all of these away. And then I'm going to put these with some envelopes and put those by the door so I don't forget them. And that is what I made for Smash Our Stash. And what I did was work on the counter, cleaned up the counter, cleaned up some scraps, some UFOs. Pretty happy with what I have here. So check out the other collaborators. You could see anything this month because it's free choice. You never know. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be back soon with Joy of Blue, and I also have a tidying video coming soon. Bye-bye.